feel the drawing and live a creative life. You might have this feeling that you're far away from creativity and that you don't know how to start, or that you even think that you can't draw. So no, don't think that. It's absolutely not true. You are creative and you have amazing drawing capacities in your hand. You just need to give it a try. So you simply need to start drawing to discover these capacities. Creativity is already inside you, and when you nurture this creativity, it will rise and bloom. My name is Baumann and I'm an award-winning illustrator and drawing tutor from Austria. I'm focused on book and magazine illustration, and I love doing live fashion sketches. And I love sketching in general. So drawing only a few minutes a day can do magic. It's really amazing what our hand can learn with daily practice by only sketching a few minutes a day. But this effect isn't only due to the concept of the muscle memory, and it isn't only about our hands, it's also about our mind. So, because drawing is a process in our mind as well. In this class here, you will learn drawing by learning both processes, the one in your hand and the one in your mind as well, because both are equally important. Drawing does not only mean to draw realistic or even photo-like pictures. So drawing and sketching is much more than this. It's about seeing and about defining the essence of a motif and deducting the characteristics that make this motif special. So it's about observation and about interpretation, and you're going to learn techniques that will help you to feel the drawing. You will have lifetime access to this class, and you can come back to it any time when you feel that you need more creativity in your life and you want to refresh techniques that we are discussing in this class. You can directly draw with me step by step, which is a wonderful way to thoroughly understand the process and to directly apply the methods that are really valuable for expressive drawings. I would have absolutely loved to get this distilled and practically oriented knowledge when I first started out with drawing and when I was learning how to integrate creativity and welcome creativity in my life. This source of creativity that is already inside all of us. So all you need to start sketching is in there. This class will be your launching pad for more creativity in your life. And I can't wait to be with you in this exciting journey. It will be so enriching for your life and for your soul. Additionally, I will give you free resources to dive deeper into the world of drawing. You will get 3 amazing workbooks that sum up key issues of drawing. And you will get the possibility to book private live drawing tutorials with me, so that you can talk directly with me about all your drawing questions, and you will get feedback to your sketches privately this way. So click the button down here and join us in the class. This class will have an amazing impact on your drawing skills and will make you live a creative life, and that's so fulfilling. So let's do it!